295 mold parts, 83 CNC machined parts, plus or minus 10 micrometers critical feature accuracy, 8 hours assembly time. How is this achieved? This video takes you to understand the secret to achieving no adjustment assembly in the mold industry. The entire mold is composed of multiple mold parts. Assembly work is usually done manually. With the increasing complexity of mold part features, manufacturing processes have increased. As the number of processes increases, it becomes more challenging to control the accuracy of mold parts. Therefore, in the assembly stage of the entire mold, manual adjustment of the mold is needed before assembly. To improve the efficiency of mold assembly, the high-end mold manufacturing industry has developed a no-adjustment assembly mold part processing method. By reducing the number of processes, the mold can be made precise and accurate. This shortens the assembly cycle of the entire mold. Beijing Jingdiao, relying on the integrated roughing, finishing, and corner cleaning process concept, and Jingdiao's automated in-machine work mode, applies the no-adjustment assembly processing plan to different types of mold parts, including stamping molds, plastic molds, and their production and assembly. Specific implementation process: completing the roughing, finishing, and corner cleaning of mold parts in Jingdiao Precision CNC machining centers. Reducing the transfer of manufacturing processes, achieving precise machining of mold parts. During the machining process, Jingdiao's in-machine automation work mode adopted tasks that were originally performed manually during the mold part machining process, including manual tasks such as tool testing, centering with a dial indicator, and workpiece measurement, are all defined within the Jingdiao CAM software. These tasks are automatically completed by the machine, driven by the program, reducing manual intervention, ensuring the stability of the production process and the high efficiency of equipment operation. Beijing Jingdiao realizes the processing plan of no adjustment assembly in the mold industry. Do you get it?